Honor has unveiled its new smartphone. Upon opening the box, you will typically find the device itself. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thank you. A USB Type-C cable for charging, usually protected by plastic film. The smartphone will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset with octa-core CPU and GPU of Adreno. There will be AMOLED touchscreen display with 6.70 inches screen size and with 1224 by 2700 pixels resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate. The Honor 400 Pro will be coupled with 12 and 16 GB of RAM and 256 and 512 GB of storage. There will be a triple rear camera setup that will capture detailed and vibrant images. The dual front facing camera will be also capable of taking high quality selfies. There will be an under display optical fingerprint reader. Battery will be big one and will run all day with heavy usage. This phone will run on Android operating system. That's all for now and thanks for watching.